Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kejela, Konrad Ki Sangma, haka arpo arterik ukala lingkot arjapsan. Ulap lipat ba, ya ka Ophis Treikam, jong ka Hima Mawphlang, halum ringkau Mawïong, Mawphlang East Khasi Hills District. Habakran kumukongsan hakani kesengi. Menteri Rangba ulakular baun samang pisa na benta banchna shushu ya ki jingdon kam jong kani ko Ophis jong ka Hima bat hakju kopor ulapan benaru baun samang pisa arpusan kelur lingba ka Swadesh Darshan scheme na ka benta banchna ya ka tourism center bat ka infrastructure development bantai halau kentang Mawphlang ka baju kring bha ya ki nong jongok ka partai napo kari bat nabar kari India. Shushu Menteri Rangba ulapan benaru baya ki pus jong ki noi kai lada mang na kabenta ka Mawphlang Science and Commerce College hakaba ka jingshim kelas kan sasdang no nadu news Snem. Menteri Rangba ulapan benaru baun samang pisa silak na kabenta ka Mawphlang Secondary School bat sa silak na kabenta ka kenhun uba pensingan lingdo bat ka kenhun banyo thiet yi ki tiar tem tiarput bat shushu ulapan benaru baun sa ya ka CM Research Grant na kabenta ka jingle ya ka jingwat penya hapo ka Hima Mawphlang.
Sao đông prithai ki briu ki ara Kulau kentang kulau linda Sao đông prithai ki briu ki ara Dala kikmat ba chen wan jungo ka khat so bha lut ya baro
Shining beacon standing for a place for one and all. God's great things start with small beginning. His humble wish is from a tender heart. We shall lead us to cast the future. Masters of wisdom, they will always be. This is the day.
It indeed gives me immense pleasure and honor to be part of this very important and a historical moment where we have inaugurated the office of the Hima Mawphlang. That these sacred groves are more than 500, 600 years old, close to 700 years old. And the Hima Mawphlang has been there from that time and even before. So you can imagine for almost close to 800 to 900 years, maybe even 1,000 years, this tradition, this rich tradition is being followed and being carried out. And after so many centuries, we finally have the office of the Hima Mawphlang. It is not just an office of the Hima Mawphlang, but this is the heritage of our people. It is a mark and a symbol of the culture of our people, a symbol of the traditions that we have followed and which we believe in. And most important, it is who we are. It is our identity. And that is why today people from different walks of life, all the different villages under the Hima Mawphlang, and all the concerned people are here today to mark this very, very important occasion. Thousands and lakhs of tourists are coming here every year as mentioned, including top leaders of our country, international dignitaries, and even celebrities. And hence, it is absolutely necessary that we develop the necessary infrastructure in and around these sacred groves and around the Khasi Heritage Village in order to be able to provide the facilities for our tourists and at the same time create the opportunities for our youngsters. I am happy to inform you that through the Swadesh Darshan scheme of Government of India, 25 crores has been sanctioned for building up infrastructure right here.